Hi everyone, this is Math12 channel. Today let me discuss about this geometric representation of root x. This x may be a number or a decimal number. Here we are going to see this x as a decimal number. So first one, example number 35, represents square root of 3.5 on the number line. Already we have seen some square root of numbers on the number line, square root of the irrational numbers, square root of 2 or square root of 3 or square root of 5 or square root of 7. That we have seen already in one video. I will add that video in this description box. Now you can see here, represent square root of 3.5 on the number line. How we can do this is very easy. So just we can take your ruler and mark 3.5. So from 0 to 3.5 centimeter I have taken. Okay. So first I can draw a line. Without taking ruler, I just take one more centimeter. So till 4.5. I can mark 3 points from 0 to 3.5, then 3.5 to 4.5. Now we just take this point as A, this point as B, this is 3.5, this is 1, this point is C. Okay. Now we need to take the center point so that I can take this compasses. You just draw half and more line. Just take half and more line and draw one arc. The same, you just draw one more arc here. Without changing that measurement, you just keep on A and you can draw one arc and one more arc. It has joint in one point. It was touched, so that point has been marked as O. Okay. So use of this length 0 to A or O to A, I just take that value as a radius and I can draw a semicircle. Okay. Now I am going to take this perpendicular distance from B. Perpendicular distance from B. So you may got that value as 90 degree. So I can draw one perpendicular line. Okay. Now we got one distance. It has touched in this semicircle. It should be marked as D. So this BD distance is called the square root of 3.5. 3.5. In this question, they ask us to represent on number line, so that I just extend this line and you can take this root 3.5 length and I just draw one arc. It has touch in one place, so I can give one name as E. This E is represented as square root of 3.5. Example number 36, represent square root of 9.3 on the number line. So that first I will need to draw a 9.3 centimeter on the ruler. So I just take this ruler and I am marking from 0 to 9.3. Okay, then one more centimeter, 1 centimeter I just take from here, so 10.3. Now I have joined fully so that it is A, it is B, it is C. This is 9.3, this is 1. Okay. Now I can take this compasses and take half and more length and I just draw one arc from C and down also. Without changing this measurement, you just keep on A and you can draw two arcs up and down. Now I am going to join these 2 points where the two arcs has meet. This point is a center point, it is marked as O. Then you should take a distance from O to A and you can draw a semicircle. It's a semicircle I have drawn now. Now you have to take a perpendicular distance from B. It should be 90°. Just join this. Now this point marked as D. This distance is called the square root of 9.3. So I can write it BD is equal to square root of 9.3. Now we need to represent on the number line, so that I'll extend this line. Then you can take this length of BD, it is square root of 9.3, and you can draw one arc. It will meet in somewhere. That point is marked as E. So you just write it. E represents square root of 9.3. Example number 37 represents square root of 5.7 on the number line. So first I just take this ruler and I am taking 5.7 from 0. So 0 to 5.7. So we need to take 1 more centimeter. So till 6.7 I need to select. Now I can join this line. This point is marked as A, this point is marked as B, this point is marked as C. This distance is 5.7 centimeter, this marked as 1. Okay. So now you can take this compasses and you just take half and more length from C and you can draw two arcs and up and down the same without changing that measurement. You just keep on A and you can draw two arcs. Now where these two arcs has meet, that point has been joined. So when you are joining, it will meet in somewhere. That point should be marked as O. Now I can take again this compass and I can measure this 0 to A. This, just keep that compass tip on O and you can draw one semicircle. Okay. Now the semicircle has drawn. Now you can take this 90° from B, perpendicular distance from B, and you can draw this. Where this line has met, it should be marked as D. This distance, BD distance, is called square root of 5.7. So I can write it. BD is equal to square root of 5.7. Now we need to express on the number line, so that I extend this line. Then you can take this length of BD, it is a square root of 5.7, right? So I just draw one arc. It should be cut on this number line. I just mention this point as E and write it. E represents square root of 5.7. Hope you all have understood this video. If you need any clarification, comment in chat box. Thank you for watching.